Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Dami, and today I'll be showing you just how I achieve this quick and easy smoky blue eyes. If you'd like to see how I achieve this look, then definitely stay tuned. Okay guys, so I already completed one eye. In this video I'll be using the 39A Dare to Create palette by Morphe. And I'm gonna go ahead and take a fluffy blending brush and apply the color indigo just to my crease. It's just outlining my crease and just a little bit on the lids as well. And you guys remember that with applying this, you're going to be blending along the way as well, just so that it does not create any harsh lines. So we're going to be applying just to the crease area and blending as well. Okay guys, so now that we've finished blending the color indigo into the crease of my eyes, I'm gonna go ahead and now apply the color Dear Me to the lids. And this color was so pretty. I loved it so much. I really loved the colors in this palette. They're really pigmented, and if you do purchase this palette from Morphe, you're definitely gonna get your money's worth when it comes to pigmentation. I really love the pigment. At first I wasn't feeling this palette when I first bought it, but after applying the products to my eyes, it's amazing. Okay, so I'm just applying that to the lids, and I'm gonna go ahead and as well, just to make sure that there's no harsh line, I'm gonna as well blend with the same fluffy brush I was using before to apply the color indigo. Now I'm taking that brush that I used to apply the color Dear Me to my lids, and I'm just gonna bring that towards the bottom lid, of my eyes. And I'm just lining the bottom lid with the blue Dear Me color. Here I'm just gonna go ahead and apply the color image and color play on words. I'm gonna apply image and color mixed together on top of the color Dear Me, just to bring out the color a bit more. And just remember to blend as you go along, just so the colors can merge and come together quite nicely. And here I'm gonna go ahead and take a new brush and apply the color Tailor to the inner corners of my eyes. I swear the blues in this palette were amazing. I really love the blue. I might try other colors to see, but so far the blues were giving me life. And I'm just taking the Tailor and I'm bringing it in to meet with Dear Me on the bottom lid. And I'm gonna go ahead and also blend that out so that they merge together quite nicely. Remember guys, it's all about blending, blend, so that the colors don't look too harsh on the eyes. Okay, now I'm gonna just use a black liner to line my waterline or my bottom lid. And you can use any black liner of your choice. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add mascara before applying my falsies. So now that I've finished on twisting and fluffing my hair, I'm just gonna go ahead and apply the edge booster to my edges. This edge control is the bomb. It literally kept my edges laid for the entire day. I highly recommend this. And yeah, this is the finished look. If you guys enjoyed this video and would like to see more videos like this, then definitely don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I thank you guys so much again for watching this video all the way to the end. I'll see you in another one. Bye!